It
Loved
really
it.
was. You know, I had the chainsaw out there.
Yeah.
I'm working on a tree. I'm turning it into broccoli right now.
Okay.
So
Slowly but surely.
But yeah, it is a very slow process
Yes.
because it is a large tree.
Yeah.
But you know, excellent weather conditions for whatever you're doing. Maybe mowing the lawn. You know, from some of the rain we've seen over the last couple of weeks, it was just outstanding to be outside, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. While it lasted, because while we will see some lows in the 50s, as I check my notes here, we're probably not going to see the 40s again for quite a while. Not saying it's impossible, but we are getting pretty close to June now, which means meteorological summer. It's right on the doorstep. Now, as we look at satellite and radar, not a lot going on. We've got more clouds out to our west. We'll see a disturbance in a front move closer to the area tomorrow, which is part of the reason why I do have storms possibly in the forecast for some of you. And we'll elaborate on that here in just a little bit. But this is what you'll be contending with if you are heading outside right now. Upper 70s, lower 80s for your temperatures. And as we look at futurecast, rain's not a problem tonight. We will see the clouds return after midnight. It will be mostly cloudy. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. And as we move towards your Tuesday afternoon and evening, a few bubble up showers and thunderstorms to the north of Interstate 30. The area of low pressure, that's the disturbance I was talking about. The area of low pressure will try and break through the cap and give us a few thunderstorms along the Red River. But again, folks, that's along the Red River. 99% of you that are watching this broadcast will probably not be affected by those storms, but model runs do change, weather expectations do change, so we're going to keep a close eye on it. And that slight risk does incorporate that thought and that uncertainty. There is a slight risk from about Tyler, Longview pointing up to the north and to the northwest, while areas to the south are under a marginal risk. But Wednesday could be a little bit different because the front itself is going to get a little closer to us, and we will see that cloud cover through Wednesday morning. And then as we head into Wednesday afternoon and evening, we'll see a few bubble up showers and thunderstorms moving from southwest to northeast. This is 4 o'clock. And then those scattered showers and thunderstorms, they'll continue moving in the area. But the front itself, it's moving to the south. And as it does so, it should help to alleviate that severe weather threat. So not a widespread severe weather event, but it is a slight risk if storms do get going. Chances are they will become severe fairly quickly, so we'll have to watch out for that isolated threat of severe weather. Up to an inch to the north of Interstate 20 over the next 7 days, perhaps up to 2 inches to the south. And the precipitation should begin to pick back up as well, so it is May. We will see more rain chances inevitably. And then as we look at the temperature outlook, we will be warming back up with temperatures expected to be at or maybe slightly above normal. Lows tonight, upper 60s, high temperatures tomorrow, back into the mid 80s. And as we look at the next 7 days, we will see a decent chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms Wednesday and then again on Thursday, but that severe weather threat should be fairly low. And then for Friday and Saturday, we'll see high temperatures in the 70s and 80s. And then as we look at Deep East Texas, similar deal. Best chance of storms right now will be on Wednesday. I may have to play with that number and that percentage just a little bit if models continue to show us drier on Wednesday, but regardless, we'll see another chance of rain on Thursday. Should have a break on our hands Friday and Saturday. Casey.